Welcome to the next installment of Burger Bites with Todd. In today's video, we'll answer the question, why is oxygen bad for beef?
Meat that has not been exposed to oxygen is purple. The oxygen binds with the myoglobin in the meat and turns it bright red. It also starts the process of aging it. And meat that's been exposed to oxygen only has a couple of days before it turns brown and starts to develop off flavors. So we package all of our meat before it gets to you in an oxygen-free, vacuum-sealed package that's designed to last in the freezer literally for years without freezer burn.
Thank you for watching today's Burger Bite with Todd. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website at bluenestbeef.com, on our Facebook page, or by simply leaving a comment below. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to hear more Burger Bites with Todd. Also, check out these additional videos to learn more today.